Hello everyone, today we are going to review or continue reviewing the database for Pine Hill Music School. So today we are going to just add a few more things to the existing database that we created last week. We are going to start by just changing a few things in the teacher table. So I just double click on the teacher table and I updated the record for, in this case, teacher ID 555310, change this to BM and the hire date to March 12, 2012. And I save and close that table. After that, we went to the student table and we deleted a record for student ID HAB 7535, and the way I did that was by using the find option under table tools, under the home tab. So I selected find and then I type the code student ID HAB 7535, and since we deleted it, you will see that we won't find it here. So it's already gone from this table and any reference table. And after that, we created I'm going to close this. We created a student, a query in design mode for a student phone list. So I just went to the create tab and query design, and I selected the student table and add, and I want to show you here what I did. So if I open this query in design mode, you will see that I selected the student table, then drag last name, first name, and mobile, and it's very basic. And if we run it, then you see the student phone information, contact information. So we are going to close this. After that, we updated our record in the query for Andrea, the second row here. So we updated her phone number, and that was also reflected in the student table. After this, we created, let me see, we created another query table called lessons by teacher. I want to show you what I did here. It's going to go to the home tab and show the design view. You see that I use the teacher table and the contract table. The fields we use are last name, student ID, end date, lesson type, lesson length, and lesson cost. And we sorted ascending by last name ascending for teacher and for student ID as well. So if we run the query, you will see here we have the teachers by last name, and you can see that the data is organized also by student ID. We're going to close this, and after this I went to file and save the object as another query, which we name current lessons, that you see here. And for this one, we just modified it so that we could only see contracts that were to end, or ended on July 1st, 2013 or after. So what I did here was just to create a criteria on their end date, and what I did is I added like is greater or equals than the specific data they gave us in the instructions. And if we run it, you see that we don't have any contracts that are prior July 1st, 2013. Okay, and after that we again save this query as another object, and we created the current guitar lessons that you see here. And for this particular query, we just added another criteria, which was for the lesson type, we added guitar, so we are only showing guitar, and there is no need to show the lesson type because we are showing only the data is only for guitar lessons. So we are going to run the query, and you see here only guitar lessons. And after that, what we did was just to add the formatting, so we added the different colors per row just by using the alternate row color, and we added a total by using the totals option at the top, and then selecting here the sum. And after that, we just pretty much use the compare and repair database, and we close the database. So that's all for today. Thank you for your attention.